Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. We're going to be talking about Cardano ADA itself. Shout out to you guys first and foremost for showing so much love day in, day out on these updates. Cannot thank you guys enough. If you want to see a continuation of these updates, you guys know what to do. Smash that like button, hit that red subscribe button, of course. But yeah, let's take a look at what's happening with ADA. Looking across the board going into Sunday morning, you are seeing a little bit of a retracement across the board, but we need to give credit where it belongs, which of course is towards the market. Market reacted in a really positive way starting off the year. We need to remember we're on the weekends. On the weekends, more manipulation than usual, but so far so good. As far as Cardano is concerned, it's one of the very few coins that's still remaining in the green, up 0.4% on the daily time frame, and on the weekly time frame, it's one of the top gainers, of course, up 21.4%. And what I mean by top gainers is if I'm comparing it to some of its competitors, it is showing some strength right now, without a doubt. But let's take a closer look and really understand what's happening with ADA. And but before we do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence, then research when you are investing in crypto. So the price is currently sitting at $1 right now, $1.08 to be exact. We're up 1% in USD. We're also up 2% in Bitcoin comparative right now. Market cap almost approaching $40 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about 1.2 billion. If you're looking at the dominance index here, I kind of drew this before my Caspa updates. We can kind of get rid of this real quick and really give you guys a little bit of a better visual as to what we're looking at. So of course, we know at this point what has been happening for the dominance, and you guys know you want to be paying very close attention to this tool. If you're new to the space, I would strongly suggest you guys, to learn how this tool works, because it will take you a long way. I know a lot of people that have been, supporting my channel over the last few years have really, thanked me, based off of, how I kind of been talking about, dominance for years, and, some people grasp on it eventually. And yeah, you're looking at the dominance pretty much falling since December 26th, which is amazing to see. Like I said, you could literally see from almost 60%, you're looking at, quite a sharp drop for the dominance, while the Bitcoin is doing complete opposite, which of course we know. Bitcoin is sitting at $98,300 going into Sunday morning. Obviously, we are facing some resistance, but so far so good. If you're looking at ADA though, exactly what we spoke about yesterday in our update is happening right now. So yes, we haven't really seen the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level retest yet, because of course we need to understand Bitcoin went from almost $99,000, and did see a wick down to 97.4 a few hours ago. Did see a little bit of a reclaim, but you're finding ADA having a hard time getting back in the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. But one step at a time, as I've said thousands of times. I really want you guys to really understand how good ADA is holding, which I have seen on crypto Twitter. Some people are not realizing this. It's one of the best coins that's holding right now in terms of the utility projects, and what some people label it as dinosaur coins. It's one of the very few coins that's actually holding really good, because where it's currently sitting. That's why I think it's holding really good, because the next push, I'm very confident the next push takes it back up to the last year's high, which was $1.30, and we're very close to that, which a lot of people are ignoring. You're only about a 23.7% move for ADA to reclaim back above here. But what I want you guys to understand is this: a few hours ago, we did come up to that $1.11 mark. That is a major resistance for ADA. So we almost broke out of our yearly high, which of course isn't as high as what we saw for the year of 2024, but I think we're going to make a yearly high this year and outpace the previous year's high, which of course was around that $1.30, which of course is going to happen once you break out of this key resistance. And in order for us to break out of this key resistance is obviously getting past this and turning this key resistance into support, which will be the biggest confirmation. But the way it's currently holding going into Sunday morning, you really want to see tomorrow be that close. That's what I'm talking about. Even if it ranges around this level, which is really a good sign. But once you see that resistance, breaking into support, my target is the $1.20 price point. And after that, yearly high is, I think, very, very close. So, so far so good. Yes, I know I've been reading the comments. People want to see the continuation, straight lines towards the upside, all-time highs to be retested right away. But unfortunately, that's not the reality. It's part of the game. It's, quite steady gains. There will be retracements along the way, but, it's part of the game. As far as altcoin season is concerned, believe it or not, we are in an altcoin season right now. Of course, I would love to see the dominance continuing to fall, start heading down to the December, beginning lows, which are around the 54.74%. If dominance continues to fall and, Bitcoin gradually starts increasing to the likes of new all-time highs, this will push altcoins even higher, in my opinion. Obviously, remember Donald Trump takes the office this month, and a lot of people are excited about that. And I think that is also the reason why you are seeing the year starting off on a really positive note. Aside from all the other, historical patterns, and obviously the ETF conversations, regulation, institutional money. There's a lot. That's also a big, big factor that we not want to be keeping an eye out on. But let me know down below what you guys think. If you enjoy these updates, you guys know what to do. Smash that like button. Let me know in the comments down below. Love you all. See you later. Crypto ZX, and peace out.